got a ride, but you can't ride in it? How you got the drive, but you ain't driving it? Tune in, I can get you right in 5 minutes. Hit subscribe for these rides, I put my life in it. I used to keep it going if the outside was clean. Now I'm grown and I put away the childish things. You gon' have to do a lot more than wipe it clean. I could give you all the tools you gon' likely need. So tune in, tune up, lock in. It's D Brooks, dawg. I'ma give you real life game by the book, dawg. Tune in, tune up, lock in. It's D Brooks, dawg. I'ma give you real life game by the book, dawg.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy D Brooks coming with another video. Getting ready to throw some gas in the Cutlass, man. See if we can get it to start up. Just threw a battery in there. I'm gonna throw a little bit of gas in the carburetor. See if I can put some in the tank. See if we can get this thing started, man. See what it do, man. See what it do. Basically, I was told that it got a bad transmission. I need to check the transmission fluid, but then we're gonna see if, you know, we can get this thing running pretty steady. So I'll cut you back on in a minute. RPM gauge seemed like it was working.
Yeah, these two holes right here are your vents. I fucked you up.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I was on the wrong foot.
Which one's the vents?
These two front holes right here.
Oh, okay.
These are actually your vents down in your carburetor.
Well, good thing you didn't say it. They'd be like, that motherfucker don't know what he does. Yeah.
I've been told I don't know a whole bunch, buddy. I ain't worried about it.
Me either. Hey, it's all fun, man. Oh yeah, it's definitely working now.
Yeah.
You wanna do it again?
Give her a little hit.
I'm gonna put it in gear real slow. No brakes. No brakes. I was gonna put it in gear, but ain't no brakes. Nothing.
Sounds like a fucking main seized up.
Ooh. Well, wouldn't be the first LS swap we did.
Yeah, that little squeal.
It's not like shit rubbing against each other.
That sounds like bearings. That's the one downside of these things. Main bearings are a bitch in these things.
Yeah. You want to throw a little bit more in there? See what you do? I'm going to see one more. I'm going to check the vitals on it again. I'm gonna put it in reverse. I'm gonna put it in drive this time. Nothing. Let me try it again. All right, she goes a little bit.
Yeah, movement.
We went in front and reverse, right?
Forwards and backwards.
Yeah, just a little bit. That's all we need to know. He might be low on fluid or something.
That's all Jesus is asking for.
Yep.
A little bit.
Just a little bit. Let's see. Damn, she light. Well, need to be running, but see if we can give her a smell test.
Don't smell bad. I don't smell bad at all.
Yeah. Okay. It didn't want to do nothing in drive, but when I put it in first, it moved. So that's weird because it's the same gear, right? First gear.
Yeah, your valve body locks into first gear.
Okay.
Yeah, you get a little more positive reaction out of manually shifting a transmission versus let her do her thing.
Okay. Well, we got potential here. A little bit.
I pull that inlet line off that fuel pump, see what you got.
I got another set of channel locks. Got another set of channel locks. Hold one, bend one. Fucking, I kinked one before. I don't want to do it again. Got caught in the rain, man. But we out here. We got wipers, so we good. Okay, let's not get nobody. The only thing I need now is some heat and AC in this mug. Yeah, it looks pretty good, huh?
Those are black.
Oh, yeah, that looks sick. They fit on there pretty good, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Gangster Bobby.
Really like Cutlass? I'm around you too much, bro.
Oh, man. They don't look bad on there. I think you might have to, if you can't get that bend out, you might have to replace that one wheel.
I'll get the bend up.
Yeah.
And really, it might just be breaking that bead. Putting some tire to do something.
Hey, we can do it.
I don't think there's any doing anything.
You got them all on there?
No.
I say we just put the black wheels on there, and then
I'm
tomorrow,
not even going to put the black wheel back on there once those nuts come back off.
and then we can put new studs in tomorrow.
I guess it's the first day of the fair too.
Yeah, fair's first.
Oh, wow. Busy city. Sounds good. Man, mine sounds broken. These sound good. I think my muffler's got a broken chamber in it. Where's your oil pressure gauge?
Where's it at? On the other side of the pad, pegged out above 60 psi.
What?
It's got about 65, 70 pounds of oil pressure.
There's no gauge?
No, it's gauge, but the gauge stops at 60.
Oh.
So it's all pegged out.
Oh, okay, I got you.
See it over there on the bottom?
Oh, yeah.
I had a mechanical gauge plumbed in out here
The wet one, yeah.
while I was running it.
The tap works on it.
The old tap quit working, so that's why I just put that one in there. I just put that on there.
Yeah, it works. You like it?
I don't know yet. We'll find out. We gotta figure out how to make it not fucking white. It needs to be blue.
Looks good though. Got the fire extinguisher.
I gotta mount that.
My buddy, he had his engine catch on fire in his garage. Good. You think they sometimes look better than they work?
That's a Jake's brand.
Yeah. Looks good though. How long we gotta run this oil for?
I'll run this rest of the year.
Okay, so it's regular. Powerful fan.
Yeah, they all compare it.
I mean, as soon as those things kick on that alternator, you can hear that load. What's the rear final drive?
411
It's out of there.
LED dome light.
Oh yeah?
Kick panels.
I like the kick panels.
This
I
is
like those.
LED. All the dash lights are LED. Radio light LED.
It's nice.
It's all LED. This I can change the color of that. I just gotta read the manual on how to do it.
Did you do this too? The dash?
Yeah, I painted
That's
it all.
nice.
Painted the dash and the tops of the doors.
Yeah, it looks sharp.
I painted the console.
Yeah, it looks sharp. Hell
This-
yeah.
This got redid. I took this to work. It had cracks all in it, and they're starting to come back. But I had a body guy at work fill it all up, and then
Is it fiberglass or something?
it's plastic.
Plastic. So they put epoxy in it.
Yeah.
What'd you put on the top?
Harold.
Harold, that's the name?
That's the name. That was my dad's middle name.
Okay.
Home and Harold.
Oh yeah.
So ugly, grumpy Harold.